48th video, guys. This is almost the end of my 50 videos challenge. This is the 48 videos. Let's do this. Five fastest ways to bring traffic to website for free. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know the 5 fastest ways to bring traffic to your website for free, then keep on watching. A lot of us know that SEO can bring a brilliant way to generate traffic for a website. It is essential that you know how to diversify the traffic that is coming to your website and not rely entirely on search engine optimization. Otherwise, if your primary traffic source fails you, it could mean the end for your business. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 fastest ways on how you can bring traffic to your website completely for free. First is to get social. It's not enough to produce great content and hope that people will find it. You have to be proactive. One of the best ways to increase traffic to your website is to use social media channels to promote your content. Twitter is ideal for short, snappy links, whereas Google Plus promotion can help your site show up in personalized search results and seems especially effective in B2B niches. If you are a B2C product company, you might find great traction with image-heavy social sites like Pinterest and Instagram. You can watch more videos on social marketing here. Not only that, you want to be joining Facebook groups where your ideal audience hang out. For instance, your target audience is moms with newborn babies. And this is one of the groups that you can potentially join with 37,000 members. I also found out that they are pretty active with almost 200 posts daily. You can then start joining this group and interact by giving good values to other moms inside the group, and eventually you can share your website. Remember to always give before taking. Second, write irresistible headline. Headline are one of the most important parts of your content. Without a compelling headlines, even the most comprehensive blog post will go unread. Master the art of headline writing. For example, the writers of BuzzFeed and Outworthy often write upwards of 20 different headlines before finally setting on one that will drive most traffic. So think carefully about your headlines before you hit the publish button. I personally compiled my 21 proven fill-in-the-blank headlines, and this is something I personally give to my students to save their time and finding proven headlines. If this is something you're interested in, you can join my free masterclass. I will leave the link in the comment section below. Anyway, headline is really important because if it isn't catchy enough, no matter how good your offer or content are, your audiences will just kiss you goodbye. Third, don't neglect email marketing. So many businesses are focused on attracting new customers through content marketing that they forget about more traditional methods. Email marketing can be a powerful tool, and even a moderately successful email blast can result in a significant uptick in traffic. Just be careful not to bombard people with relentlessly emails about every single update in your business. Also, don't overlook the power of word of mouth marketing, especially from people who are already enjoying your products and services. A friendly email reminder about a new service or product can help boost your traffic. Fourth, engage in comment. You probably visit at least a few sites that are relevant to your business on a regular basis. So why not join the conversation? Commenting doesn't necessarily provide an immediate boost to referral traffic right away, but making a name for yourself by providing insightful, thought and provoking comments on industry blogs and sites is a great way to get your name out there, which can subsequently result in driving more traffic to your own site. Just remember that as with guest posting, quality and relevance are key. You should be engaging with other people in your niche, not dropping spam links on unrelated websites. Fifth, examine your analytic data. Google Analytics is an invaluable source of data on just about every conceivable aspect of your site, from your most popular pages to visitor demographics. Keep a close eye on your analytic data and use this information to inform your promotion and content strategies. Pay attention to what posts and pages are proving the most popular. Inspect visitor data to see how, where, and when your site traffic is coming from. For instance, these are the analytics for my website. By looking at this, I know that majority of my traffic comes from Facebook. And it actually tells me that I should invest more money on Facebook since it is proven that I'm getting more traffic from that site compared to the rest. I also know that the vast majority of my audience comes from Philippines and Malaysia, which makes a lot of sense because these are my targeted countries for now. Can you see that looking at analytics is important, and by judging from the analytics, it also tells you how much more traffic you need to drive in order to have one sale. So let's say your item costs $100 and you want $1,000 sales. This means you need 10 clients to pay you $100 to get $1,000 sales. Simple math. But the question is, how much traffic do you need to drive to your website in order to get these clients? That's when you need to look at your analytics. If for every 100 traffic you drive, your closing rate is 1%, means you need 1 client. So in order to get 10 clients, you need to drive 100 people to your website. This is just an example that I randomly made out, but you can get what I'm trying to say, right? Comment down below and let me know if this makes sense to you. I truly hope these tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way. I'll see you in the next video.